Exercises for seniors to do at home. Are you over 50, 60, or even 70 and wondering how to stay strong, flexible, and pain-free without ever stepping foot in a gym? Here's the truth. You don't need fancy equipment, heavy weights, or long workouts. What you do need is movement. Simple, smart, daily movement that keeps your body active, your joints happy, and your mind sharp. And today, I'm going to show you 6 simple exercises you can do at home. No gym, no stress, just results. These moves are surgeon-approved, senior-safe, and life-changing when done consistently. So grab a chair, take a deep breath, and let's begin. Together. 1. Chair squats. Build strength safely. Let's start with one of the most powerful home exercises for seniors. Chair squats. This simple movement strengthens your legs, hips, and core, helping you sit, stand, and move with confidence. Stand tall in front of a sturdy chair. Keep your feet shoulder-width apart. Slowly lower yourself down until your hips touch the chair, then stand back up. Keep your chest up, core tight, and breathe steadily. Do this 10 to 12 times. If that's too hard, use your hands on your thighs for support. Why it matters. Every time you stand or sit, you're using the same muscles that protect your knees and hips. Chair squats rebuild that strength, without strain. Feel the power in your legs. Don't rush. Every rep is an investment in your independence. 2. Wall push-ups. Upper body made easy. Next up, wall push-ups. Forget the floor. This version gives you all the benefits of a push-up without hurting your wrists or shoulders. Stand about arm's length away from a wall. Place your palms flat against it, shoulder width apart. Bend your elbows and bring your chest toward the wall, then push back. Do this 10-15 reps, 2 sets. Wall push-ups strengthen your arms, shoulders, and chest, improving posture and making everyday tasks easier, from lifting groceries to pushing open doors. Keep your core tight. This isn't just an arm exercise, it's a full-body stability move. 3. Seated leg lifts. Core and mobility builder. Now, take a seat, literally. This move improves leg strength, blood flow, and core control. Sit tall on a sturdy chair. Keep your back straight and hands on the seat. Slowly lift one leg straight out, hold for 3 seconds, and lower. Repeat on the other side. Do this 10 reps each leg. Why it matters? This exercise boosts circulation, balance, and lower body control. Vital for walking and stability. Tighten your abs every time you lift. You're not just moving your leg. You're waking up your core. Take a breather pause for a second. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Exhale slowly through your mouth. You've already activated your legs, arms, and core. That's 3 major systems of your body in motion. And guess what? You've done it without leaving your chair or using a single piece of equipment. This is the secret to staying young after 50. Consistency over intensity. 4. Shoulder rolls, ease, tension, improve posture. Let's loosen those tight shoulders. Most of us hold tension in the neck and upper back, especially when sitting too long. Sit or stand tall. Gently roll your shoulders forward in a circular motion 10 times. Then roll them backward 10 times. Why it matters. This improves blood flow, relieves stiffness, and helps you maintain better posture. Move slow. Feel the release in each roll, your body's saying thank you. 5. Standing side. Reaches, flexibility, and balance. Now let's wake up your spine and waist. Stand tall with your feet shoulder-width apart. Raise your right arm overhead and lean gently to the left. Feel the stretch on your side. Return to center and switch sides. Do 10 slow reps each side. Why it matters. This move improves spine mobility, balance, and coordination. Key for preventing back stiffness. Stretch, but never strain. Each reach should feel like you're opening up space in your body. 6. Marching in place, the simple energy booster. Finally, a classic, marching in place. It's simple, safe, and super effective. Stand tall. Lift your knees one at a time like you're marching proudly. Swing your arms gently for rhythm. Do this for 30 to 60 seconds. Why it matters. This raises your heart rate, strengthens your legs, and improves balance, all at once. Keep smiling. This move boosts your energy and your mood. Look at you. You just completed 6 powerful moves that target your whole body. No gym, no machines. Just you, your home, and a little motivation. These simple exercises keep your muscles active, your joints smooth, and your heart strong. Balance, mobility, and pain-free strength. If you made it this far, congratulations! Most people talk about getting active, but you're doing it. That's what sets strong seniors apart from everyone else. Action. We've built your foundation. Now we'll focus on balance, mobility, and pain-free movement, the 3 keys to staying independent and confident for life. These next few exercises are all about control, stability, and strength without strain. So grab your chair or wall for support. Take a deep breath, and let's begin. 1. Heel-to-toe walk, the balance restorer. Balance is the first thing most people lose with age, but it's also the easiest to rebuild. The heel-to-toe walk trains your brain and body to move in sync again. How to do it? Stand tall near a wall or sturdy surface. Place one foot directly in front of the other, heel touching the toe. Walk slowly forward in a straight line for about 10 steps. Then turn and walk back. Do this for 2 to 3 rounds. Why it matters. This simple move strengthens your stabilizing muscles and improves coordination, making it easier to walk, climb stairs, or even dance again. Keep your eyes forward, not down. Balance is confidence. Believe you can, and your body will follow. 2. Standing knee raises, core and hip power. Next, we'll strengthen your hips, abs, and lower back, the real foundation of good posture and balance. Stand behind a chair for support. Slowly lift your right knee toward your chest as high as you can. Hold for 2 seconds, then lower it. Switch legs. Repeat for 10 reps per leg. Why it matters. This activates the deep core muscles that protect your spine and keep your gait steady. Stay tall, don't hunch. Every lift is training your body to move gracefully again. 3. Seated arm circles, mobility and shoulder health. Mobility keeps your body young. Even when sitting, you can work wonders for your shoulders and upper back. Sit tall on a chair. Extend both arms straight out to your sides. Make small circles forward for 15 seconds, then backward for 15. Do 2 rounds. Why it matters. This move boosts blood flow, eases stiffness, and strengthens shoulder joints. Critical for pain-free movement. Keep your shoulders down, not up by your ears. Feel the burn? That's your circulation waking up. 4. Calf raises, strong legs, better circulation. Now, let's target one of the most underrated muscles in your body, your calves. These muscles act like pumps for your blood and keep your legs energized. How to do it? Stand tall behind a chair for balance. Slowly rise up on your toes as high as you can, then lower your heels back down. Repeat 10-15 times. Why it matters. Calf raises improve circulation, balance, and walking strength, key for joint health and stamina. Control every rep. Slow up, slow down. That's how you build real functional strength. 5. Gentle torso. Twist, relieve stiffness. Let's release some tension from your spine. This move promotes flexibility and digestion. Yes, even your organs benefit when you twist gently. Sit or stand tall. Place your hands on your hips. Twist your upper body slowly to the right, then to the left. Do 10 reps each side. Why it matters. Twisting opens your spine, improves mobility, and eases mid-back stiffness. Move like a wave. Smooth, not forced. Let your breath guide each twist. 6. Seated side leg raises. Hip and outer thigh strength. This one's a game changer for seniors who want stronger hips and better stability. Sit tall on a chair, hands on the seat for support. Slowly lift one leg out to the side, pause, then bring it back down. Repeat 10 reps per side. Why it matters. This strengthens your glutes, hips, and thighs, reducing fall risk and improving your stride. Small movement, big impact. Your hips are your foundation. Keep them strong, and you'll move freely for years. Mini breathing break. Stop for a moment. Close your eyes, inhale deeply, and exhale slowly. Feel that? That's oxygen fueling your body. Each breath is energy. Each movement is youth. You are not just exercising, you're re-teaching your body that it stays still alive, strong, and capable. Let me remind you of something powerful. You don't have to be fast. You just have to keep going. Consistency beats intensity every single time. 5 minutes today can add 5 years of strength to your life. You've already proven you're not giving up. You're leveling up. So keep moving, because every squat, every lift, every stretch is a message to your body that says, I'm not done yet. 7. The Balance Hold Challenge. Core stability for life. Ready for a fun challenge? This one's simple, but powerful. Stand tall, hold the back of a chair, lift one foot off the ground and balance for 10 seconds. Switch sides. To make it harder, let go of the chair and balance freely. Do 2 to 3 rounds. Why it matters. This move strengthens your ankles, knees, and core, your body's balance triangle. Wobbling is okay. It means your muscles are learning. Over 50. You don't need a gym membership, expensive equipment, or long cardio sessions to stay strong and active. What you need are simple, smart, home-based movements that actually work. These exercises are surgeon-approved, joint-friendly, and designed to help you move, feel, and live better, right in your living room. So grab a chair, a little space, and let's get moving together, because age doesn't limit strength. The right habits build it. If you're someone who wants to maintain energy, flexibility, and independence as you age, this is your daily blueprint. Whether you're in your 50s, 60s, 70s, or beyond, these exercises will keep your joints healthy, your muscles active, and your balance solid. Forget the too old myth, because your body is capable of more than you think. Let's rebuild strength and confidence, one simple move at a time. Exercise. 1. Chair squats. Build leg power and independence. One of the biggest reasons seniors struggle with mobility is weak leg strength, and that S where the chair squat comes in. Stand in front of a sturdy chair with your feet shoulder-width apart. Lower yourself slowly until your hips lightly touch the chair, then stand back up. Keep your chest lifted, knees behind your toes, and engage your core. Do this 10 and 12 reps, rest, and repeat for 2 to 3 sets. Why it works. Chair squats strengthen your thighs, glutes, and hips, the same muscles you need for walking, standing, and climbing stairs. Every rep trains your body to stay independent. It's not just a move, it's your daily stand tall reminder. Coach tip: want an extra challenge? Try holding a light water bottle in each hand for added resistance. Exercise. 2. Wall push-ups. Strength without strain. Forget floor push-ups. Wall push-ups are joint-friendly and build upper body strength safely. How to do it. Stand about 2 feet from a wall. Place your hands flat on the wall, shoulder-width apart. Lower your chest toward the wall by bending your elbows, then push back to start. Keep your body straight and core tight. Start with 10-15 reps, then rest and repeat twice. Why it works. This exercise targets your chest, arms, and shoulders, all essential for posture and balance. It also improves circulation and gives your upper body a tone-up without stress on your joints. Coach motivation. Each push-up you do means a stronger version of you. You're not just pushing against a wall, you are pushing against every doubt that says you can crew it. Exercise. 3. Seated leg lifts. Boost circulation and core stability. Perfect for anyone who spends time sitting. How to do it. Sit upright in a sturdy chair. Extend one leg straight out and hold for 3 seconds. Lower it slowly and switch sides. Do 10 reps per leg, 2 to 3 sets total. Why it works. This move strengthens your lower abs and thighs while improving blood flow to your legs, reducing stiffness and swelling. Coach motivation. The goal isn't perfection. It's progress. Every lift you do builds strength that helps you walk taller and feel younger. Exercise. 4. Shoulder rolls. Relieve tension. Instantly, shoulder tension is common as we age, especially from sitting. How to do it. Sit or stand tall. Roll your shoulders slowly forward 10 times, then backward 10 times. Why it works. This gentle move releases tightness, improves blood flow, and helps you breathe deeper. Coach tip. Try this every morning to instantly energize your upper body. Exercise. 5. Standing march. Heart healthy and fun. Marching in place might look simple, but it's a low-impact cardio move that boosts heart health and balance. How to do it. Stand tall, lift your knees one at a time like you're marching. Pump your arms naturally. Do it for 1-2 minutes, rest, and repeat. Why it works. It improves endurance and coordination, both crucial for daily mobility. Coach motivation. Feel your heart beating stronger? That's your body thanking you for showing up today. You don't need to move fast, you just need to move consistently. These small, powerful exercises, done daily, are the secret to lifelong mobility and independence. So if you're over 50, remember, movement isn't just about exercise, it's about energy, confidence, and freedom. Your body is your home. Take care of it, and it will take care of you. Subscribe, where we'll unlock 5 more at-home senior moves to strengthen your balance, coordination, and vitality.